Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make a winter special potato and peas pulao with the fresh harvest. This is a simple one pot meal that turns out delicious. You'll be able to cook it easily and enjoy with your folks too. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. One tablespoon of oil along with the ghee. Temper the oil with a bit of cumin seeds, half teaspoon, 1 bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom, a black, some peppercorns, once they release their aroma, add in the washed basmati rice. This is washed and drained. I'll toss the rice till it becomes translucent. Keep the heat to low or medium. The grains of rice have become glossy and translucent, and I'll just take them out. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil goes in, and I'll just let that heat up. A pinch of cumin seeds to temper the oil. One chopped green chili. You could add more. Then add in 2 chopped onions. These are medium-sized onions. Chop them anyhow you like. So I've got a chilblain on my finger. That's why I can chop them finely. That's alright. Bit of salt. And I'll cook this for a minute longer to get a nice color. Now that has a color on it, I'll add in the potatoes that I've cut into chunks. So you could use 2 large or 3 medium-sized potatoes, or you could add more or less. That's up to you. Allow the potatoes to get a slight color onto them. I'm using the newly harvested potatoes or the Naya Aloo, and that's why I've left the skin on. This is already smelling so good. I'll add in the garlic. Again, you could grind them or chop them. So about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger paste. As soon as the raw smell goes away, I'll add in the peas. This is about a cup of peas. A teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander. A teaspoon of chaat masala. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of kitchen king powder, kitchen king masala. If you don't have kitchen king masala, you could add in more garam masala. Just cook this briefly on low heat. Add in a cup of fresh tomato paste. Cook till the oil separates. So this is after 2 minutes, and it's time to add in the rice. In goes the rice, all of it. Mix it gently. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. And to add in the water, so add in hot water. This is about 3 cups of hot water. Season with salt according to your taste. Once it starts boiling, add in juice of about half a lemon. Cook this without the lid for about 3 to 5 minutes. The water has evaporated slightly, or it has been soaked up also by the rice grains. And lower the heat and put a lid on it and cook till it's done. Check after 2 minutes to see how it's going. I'm checking after 2 minutes. And I'll add in 2 whole green chilies. You may add in slit chilies for the flavor. Cover it and let it cook till done. So once it's done, let it rest for about 5 minutes before you open the lid, and then use a spatula to gently fluff it up. Serve it hot with some salad, curd, pickle, papad or chutney on the side, and enjoy!